All right, coming out of Louisville, Kentucky, what you're about to witness is what I consider insanity. We have a guy that has had his verdict hit him. He has been found guilty of some very, very bad stuff. We're about to listen to this. But what blew my mind is when I heard about what he did, I had to watch it for myself. This dude, after getting when he was getting his sentence, he was disrespecting this lady immensely, and she cut his sentence. I mean, he blasted her with... I'm going to show you. It's disgusting, but DEI at its finest. That's all I can say. So let's go ahead and check this out.
A Louisville man was found guilty last week of kidnapping, robbing, and sodomizing a woman.
A jury recommended a 65-year prison sentence, but the judge in the case cut that time in half. WDRB's Dalton Godby tells us it brought a spotlight of scrutiny, not just on this decision, but other orders in this same court.
Commonwealth of Kentucky versus Christopher Thompson.
Within seconds of Christopher Thompson's sentencing hearing.
Before we even get appearances, Mr. Thompson, I'm gonna need you to be respectful.
I ain't doing nothing.
He insulted Jefferson County Judge Tracy Davis.
Well, it's fine, okay?
What?
It's fine.
Yeah.
Because here's the thing.
Spit on y'all wood.
At the end of the day, I'm the one with the pen.
I don't care.
I know you don't.
Yeah.
And it's a sad, sad scenario.
I ain't tripping.
So you just told me eat your and you called me a sucker twice.
The disruptions continued throughout the entire hearing. Thompson was convicted in December of robbery, kidnapping, sodomy, and sexual abuse. In 2023, the 24-year-old abducted a woman, robbed her, and sodomized her twice.
I don't have sympathy for nobody.
If you come in here
I don't have sympathy for you, the victim's family. I don't care.
It's fine. But if you...
During sentencing, the prosecutor asked the judge to uphold the jury's 65-year recommendation, but Judge Davis explained she would lower that sentence to just 30 years, as Thompson repeatedly interrupted.
I don't care. I don't care.
Unfortunately, he fell through the cracks and ended up before this court as an 18 or 19-year-old. This court does not believe that Mr. Thompson, if given the resources that he can get while incarcerated, is beyond being rehabilitated.
Sexual predatory offense.
Now, just days later, city leaders are outraged by the decision.
Where is the concern for the victim? Do we think she's going to get over this in 30 years?
Metro Council's Minority Caucus, which has vouched for more judicial transparency, pointed out Monday that Judge Davis has granted shock probation in dozens of cases since 2023.
My next step is to request for all of her shock probation cases to have the public learn about who she is releasing from the sentences that are given to them. That's the minimum I can do for the electorate of this community so that they can understand the decisions that she's making.
Dalton Godby, WDRB News.
Well, all I can say is the more I dug into it and realized this guy really did say he was going to do it again, I don't know where else to go with this one. You can use your own mind and judge for yourself on how this should have happened, but if anybody else would say something like that to a different judge under the same circumstances, I guess even say reverse the skin tone, you'd be under the prison. But man, this is crazy. But yeah, I got nothing for this dude or the judge. Shame. It is a shame.